welcome you to the Fields condominiums in beautiful Shenango Township. We're here today at one of our exclusive 1-floor, 2-bedroom condominium. This one here, as you can see, is brick. Beautiful asphalt driveway. Check out the holly bushes with the berries here, the male and female. Lovely custom concrete walkway. You can see the lawns are manicured beautifully. Obviously, those are all maintained by the condominium HOA, Homeowners Association. And if we take you inside here, beautiful, energy efficient door here. It's kind of a stop and take a look here, kind of breathtaking view. Beautiful dining room to the right. Everything is open. The floor plan is just lovely. You can see the little alcove there and the recessed ceiling adds to the architectural beauty of the interior. The walls, the ceilings are vaulted. There's, as you can see over here, a silent suspended fan all the way down to the beautiful pergo flooring. Near indestructible. Let's take a walk in. As you walk in, the flow of the house, you're kind of almost immediately taken over into this gorgeous family room area. You can see the recessed lighting and that vaulted ceiling give you a lot of openness. Just a beautiful open area feel. There's over 1,400, almost 1,500 square feet in this unit. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car attached garage. From this angle, you can look back and see the dining area. If you're entertaining, it's got a beautiful flow. You come right in. There's 2 ways into the kitchen. You have your breakfast nook here. And your kitchen eating area over there. Now this is a natural gas fireplace. Very energy efficient, throws lots of warmth, beautiful glowing, yet safe and clean heat. So much better than a wood burning fireplace. Far more energy efficient, way more usable, much more practical in this area. You can see these beautiful French doors leading out to the concrete patio. Little fire pit out there. Those are real popular. Here we are coming back this way. Gives you a better view of that vaulted ceiling and this open, beautiful open floor plan. Now the kitchen is just exquisite. Oak cabinets, General Electric, high quality. Low, easy on energy. This is about as good as you can get for cooking. Natural gas, oven range, all the black lacquer finish, right down to the General Electric refrigerator over there and the General Electric silent dishwasher right here, self-cleaning. Over here, there's a double bowl stainless steel sink. As you can see, you have your sprayer, you have your garbage disposal. I like the 2 tiers. If you splash on when you're prepping your food here, you have that big backsplash, and this hides anything over here. If you want to have a couple of dishes in the sink, you never see them there. So, great kitchen for entertaining, as you can see. Now, real nice pantry area over here. You can put your bottled things, canned goods, loads of storage. There's the other entrance into the family room there, the dining room. And this is the first floor laundry facility. These are Samsung high efficiency washer and dryer. It has the beautiful white trays with the storage below and big cupboards here. I'm just going to open them up. Normally I wouldn't do this, but these are clean, just extremely well maintained. Wouldn't always open up cupboards in houses, but this one is meticulous. When I say meticulous, I'm talking immaculate. Also, these Levelor blinds are just, these are just wonderful. One button, up, down, any level you want them at. Immediately open or close them. Now, out here, these have these units here on this side have this gorgeous wooded view. There's nothing back there. Look on the site and you'll see the aerial. Absolutely nothing back there. Quiet, serene, completely secluded. Let's take a walk over into the master bedroom. Then we'll finish up out front here in the garage. As you can see, a little alcove here. Great place for a little phone stand or possibly a little seat there for dressing. Right here, beautiful master bedroom, vaulted ceilings. Oh, smoke detectors and carbon monoxide for safety. Big window. Again, those are tilt-ins and they are energy efficient. Thermal pane windows. Check out this master closet. That's definitely a hers and hers. Gorgeous with the shelves that you don't ever have to worry about dusting because everything just goes right through them. Those are the way of the future. You can see there's all the wiring. It has the phone jacks built right in there. Just plug in. Here's the master bath suite. They call these en suites. It's got the ceramic floor. By the way, all the way through here, I've been walking on the plushest of carpet with that beautiful thick padding that just makes you feel like you're walking on air. Check out these gorgeous, gorgeous white fixtures. So modern, so elegant. The ceilings are so high in here. My reach is 8 foot and I'm nowhere near. As you can see, I'm nowhere near the top of the ceiling. These got to be at least 10-foot ceilings, maybe more. Here's your gorgeous garden tub. Takes up that whole corner. What a great way to soak in there and just relax after a hard day's work. What's so nice is if you're soaking, the husband or wife can still get the shower if they need to go to work. And of course, the other bath is always at your disposal. That has the gorgeous door on there, not, the stainless steel door, chrome door, which is nice rather than the shower curtains that just don't last. You're always replacing those. So. Anyway, I'm going to head out of the master here. One quick view for you of the rear yard. How would you like to wake up in the morning and look out here and just see the bluebirds and the cardinals? Just gorgeous. Here's your air conditioning unit out here, just so you know. Of course, it has high efficiency, energy efficient there. Air conditioning, it has gas, forced warm air heat. Here we are back in the main living area. And here's your Pro heat center there where you can set your thermostat, cold and heat. There it is, energy efficient. Goodman, forced warm air furnace. There's your central air line coming into the compressor, and here's your gas hot water tank. So everything is gas except for your electric. Now, if you come over here, as you would come in the main door here, here's your cupboard to put your coats and whatnot. Over here, another cupboard. Towels and linens. Again, all your recessed lighting, and that follows through the vaulted ceilings, follow all the way through to the second bedroom. This is a big bedroom, actually. Beautiful window in here. Big arched window. Gorgeous fixtures. Full bath with the ceiling fan. Nice white vanity, very modern. And then the tub surround in there, not in pieces, all one solid unit. No place for mold to hide and little places for, for it to get dirty in there. Very much easier to clean when they're all one piece. Now, here again, there's your bedroom. Walls are just beautiful in here. I don't think the video will do it justice, but when you schedule an appointment to see it, you'll see how large how beautiful these walls are painted, the attractive colors. It's professionally decorated. And I mean beautifully done. Okay. Your follow through with the fire safety and carbon monoxide safety there. So, last but not least, I'm going to walk you through. Don't know how much I've forgotten here, but I'll give you a last view of this area while we walk through to the kitchen. And I'll take you to the garage, which is where you would mostly come into the house. You can see 2 cars easily fitting in here. Insulated. You have storage up here, pull down stairs there for storage. You have your overhead automatic garage door opener. There's your breaker box over there for convenience. Easy to get to, and of course, you're washing your car summer, winter, spring, or fall. You might as well wash it inside because it always rains after you wash your car, right? There you have it, folks. This gorgeous condominium in the field, Shenango Township, Lawrence County, Pennsylvania, can be yours for the low price, under $200,000, just $195. And if you lived here, you'd be home. We thank you for touring with J.C. Horton Realty today. One of our exclusive listings. Stop back soon and often. www.jchortonrealty.com, and as always, may the Lord bless you.